Yo, 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 it's your girl Lavish back with another video, reporting to you live. So today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to get this schlick back. You know what I'm saying? If it ain't schlick, we don't want it. And that is spelled S-C-H-L. Wait. Schlick, yeah. S-C-H-L-I-C-K, okay? It ain't slick, it's schlick. So if y'all ready to get your slick backs like this, keep watching. So this is like my disgusting day 4 hair. I think it's day 4, I don't know, but I did a style this weekend and it really messed up the front, so there's no going back from this, you know? But you can always count on a slick back. So I know some of you may have thicker hair than me and a different texture, so this might not work for you guys, but this is just my way of doing my slick back. I don't re-wet it. All I use is my spray bottle. Y'all really need to get on this wave because this spray bottle is amazing. I use my Eco Styler. I know Eco is going through a lot right now, but you see how cool this bottle is? I'm not throwing this away. So you're gonna need your brush, of course. You need your edges toothbrush. You're gonna need a parting comb. You already know. And then last, you need one of the combs with this type of rat tail at the bottom. I'm going to do a side part because I just like how that looks on my head better than middle parts because my head kind of fat. That was really bad. My head kind of fat, you know? So the first thing you're going to want to do is re-wet this top section. So I'll use this comb and just start going through the top of my hair. By doing this, I'm getting out all the knots that are in between this part of my hair so that when I do the slick back, it's not bumpy and unflat. On the parts that you feel are harder to comb through, just lift up the middle of your head and start spraying. So while you're going through it, you can just do a little test. And you can start to feel the top to see what parts you need to comb out some more. And you can also use your fingers to just kind of like separate it more easily. So once you comb it through good enough, I use 2 tight scrunchies because my hair is pretty thick, so you don't want them to break or anything. So now you're just going to start drenching the top of your hair because you need the water to lay this joint down. Then you'll start brushing. Don't tangle. So after you brush a little bit, you can use one of the 2 and just start to like comb the top just to make sure there's no knots in the part that you're about to lay down. I don't know what just happened. Okay. Don't do that, okay? After that, I re-wet it just a little more. And now it's time for the Eco. Eco holds my hair, but I have a lot of flyaways that just love to pop up. And I know Eco doesn't hold everyone's hair that well, so whatever gel you find that holds it the best, boo-boo, do you, okay? So after you do that, you're gonna brush again. And this is really gonna get it nice and flat because now the gel is on there. So now you're gonna act like you're going to put the ponytail holder on, but first you have to see what needs improvement. So I see all these flyaways. I'm gonna just get the gel, put that baby on there. So before you actually put the scrunchies on, you gotta lay them edges first. And now for the final do. So I would do a ponytail, but if you can see, like, this part is very bushy while this part is curled because of my style that I did this weekend. So I'm gonna do a bun, but you do what you want to do. So with my buns, I really don't like when they stick out like this. So I'm gonna bobby pin. And that's what you can do if you have the same problem as me. When you finish, you can automatically see like flyaways that pop up, and you don't have to redo it. Just take some more gel and put that on zam. And then when you finish, you can put a scarf on for like 10 to 15 minutes in order to make it lay down some more. But first, let your hair dry because you don't want the gel to be still kind of wet and then it messes up the flow. You know what I'm saying? So this is my slick back. Thank y'all for tuning in. I hope that my tips help y'all get y'all hair linked to the gods. It's all about the comb, y'all. It's all about the comb. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. I reached 60. I'm trying to reach 100, you know what I'm saying? If you've been here for all 4 videos, I just want you to know, like, from the bottom of my Dreamville heart, I bangs with you. You my man, okay? Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is